Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create typing animations in your text by using CapCut app. Let's start. At first you have to open your CapCut app. Now tap on new project. Here select your video and then put it on your timeline. Now tap on text and add the text that you want. For example, I'm going to use this text on my video. And now choose the style, and also you guys can choose the fonts from here. Now tap on the check mark and then tap on style, then tap on animations. In here you guys can find out a lot of animations, and at the first you guys can find out this animation typewriter. If you tap on here, then you guys can see the typing animation and then customize it like this. Now at the end I'm going to use this animation. Now to make it more realistic, you have to add sound effects here. If you tap on audio and then tap on audio effects, and here you guys will find out keyboard effect. If you search it like this, then split it according to your text. Now at the end I'm going to use typewriter sound effect. Search it like this and then you guys will find out this effect. Then put it on your timeline and in here customize it. Now watch your video. So this is how you guys can create typing animations in your text by using CapCut app. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.